Buenos dias, everyone. Welcome back to haztalez. You already know it's another beautiful day, another beautiful morning, and yet again, we are back with this amazing view. The footage and the words can't do justice to how amazing this view is. It's one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. Waking up to this, or just even seeing this entire day. Like it just like whenever I get the chance to see it, that itself has made my trip worth it. It's so amazing. Anyways, back to the important point. So today we'll be going to one of the two most important places here in Colombia. First being Comuna 13. Second is gonna be Momentous Pablo Escobar, which is Momento Pablo Escobar. It's basically a tribute to Pablo Escobar. That area was built by Pablo. So for the poor people, so it has like some of Pablo's stuff. Still, it's kind of like a museum, Pablo's museum, but it's still the Pablo's area. People over there worship Pablo. It's a dangerous area, so that's why I'm gonna have a local going with me, and he's hooking me up with that. We were taking a dog before too, but then we were like, you know what, it's not even that crazy, so we'll just go by ourselves. And I'll probably shoot it with the phone, not on the DJI, but before that, we have Comuna 13, which I'm gonna be shooting the entire thing on DJI. I have a tour guide with me. She's gonna be talking about all the history, culture about Comuna 13. So Comunas so basically I'm very close to Comuna. I'm like 5-10 minutes away from Comuna. Maybe that's why I have this sick view. Comunas are the high top areas of Medellin, and then there's many Comunas, 5, 6, 4, and they basically have a lookout on it's basically on a hilltop, kind of like a hilltop, and you have sick views. But like that Comuna 13 has so much history. It's the most touristy spot of Medellin, 100% most touristy spot. So it's like colorful, so much artwork, and obviously the guide's gonna tell us more. And you guys stay tuned. You guys will be able to find out more about it. Till then.
Should be done.
International. It's crazy out here. It's fucking crazy out here. The talent that these kids have.
Where is the women? ¿Dónde están las mujeres? Make some noise! Y no podemos escaparnos de ella. Ok, todo
Espera que mira, te pongo una foto.
In this place, no gracias mi amor, qué pena. In this place they used to execute people and
This place?
dead bodies there. Yeah.
They used to like lay the dead bodies in this place?
Execute people there.
Wow.
And compilate the dead bodies in here.
This is crazy.
Like, yeah, now it's like a place where the children can play, and sometimes local people, play with the tourists.
Yeah, so this place they have converted into it's like more like a futsal thing, right? And before they used to execute people in that building behind and then lay them here. And how long did that last for? Like 10 years?
Almost 9.
Like almost a decade. Wow, that's crazy. So much history behind this place. So right now I'm at the place where basically you can say Comuna 13 got a rebirth. So this place has a lot of value. There used to be too many bloodsheds over here. So they'll execute bodies in that building behind. Then they'll lay them down here, they'll stack them up. And this was like a regular thing. It was happening all the time. Civilians were dying left and right until government took notice and then completely changed this place. But this was the main center of where it originated. And then now this whole place is very touristy, Comuna 13. But yeah, this was a little backstory of where it originated from. Some more artwork. We're in the streets, estrenchos of Comuna 13. Let me know when you. Okay, so this right here, as you guys can see, there are baby pictures here, and then there's blood coming out. It's basically the Colombian flag, but basically so many kids died here, so it's just kind of like a way to, pay tribute to them. But yeah, beautiful though.
These were done by people.
Oh, these paintings are incredible. I've never seen something like this, never in my life. Like, look at this monkey, and look at the details in his eye. Isn't that nuts? Wow. This is some crazy level painting. Every 2 years they change it.
Yeah.
And what kind of artists do they select? Like, is there a criteria of selecting them?
Yeah, of course. There are local people that every 2 years they keep learning how to do all these paintings.
Yeah.
And they
That one is crazy.
promote their paintings, to get selected to do all these paintings over here.
Yeah. Wild. Yeah, this one blew me away. Can you take a picture of me? Okay, this is the elevator. Oh, escalator, my bad.
I wish it was like.
Ever since I came here, I've been speaking in trying to learn Spanish, and I'm forgetting English words too. Because then my pronunciation gets messed up. And certain times I don't even know what I'm saying because I try to I'm processing in Spanish, and then because everybody here speaks just Spanish, literally just Spanish. That's it. But yeah, look at this staircase. Isn't that crazy? With all the artwork. And then we have more escalators that way. And obviously, the stairs would never end in this country.
Never.
When I did Gotape, I kind of figured that out. Yeah, I love the flag. The best thing about Colombia, I love its flag. You know how Mexico has a sick flag?
Yes.
Green and red. This the tricolor, yellow, blue, and red. I actually like it. Wow. Also, it goes all the way up?
No.
No. What is it all the way up there?
There's a rooftop over there.
Oh, okay.
And more houses.
And then this is the name of every single country on the staircase.
No, there's some phrases from here.
But the flags are painted.
The flags, yes.
Oh, flags are painted. Wow, that's wild. Okay. And these are the streets and streets of Comuna 13. Right? These are the local and basically the hood. Okay, we go further up. Okay. Is this like a pub? This is like a pub too, right?
Yeah.
I love Medellin. And then obviously you have one of the most amazing Medellin views from here. It's gonna get better, right? Yeah. Like the more you go up, the more better it gets. Presenting you some crazy artwork. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that baby tiger looks, and then the Colombia thing. And then you have the GTA. It's a beer dealer's crew. Some Snoop Dogg and LeBron artwork.
La felicidad que le estoy resaltando a ella que le luce verse vestir de negro, pero le luce más el papá que el parcero con el suegro. Ay, ay, y saludo al patrón, el pantalón que
They're representing Puerto Rico. This is another rooftop. There are a billion rooftops in here. Wow, that's crazy. We're not even at the top yet, and the wind over here is blowing like crazy. And I love it because it's such a hot day, but this wind is like really cooling it down. Yeah, I see the moon, yeah.
You see like a star?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, we're going there.
Okay.
What first?
So I'm here at the sugarcane station, fresh sugarcane juice. They sell it with liquor. You can have it with or without liquor. And it's so refreshing. Let's try it. It's so refreshing. They add lemon at the end and it just elevates the taste. I love sugarcane juice. Look at the view. This is Medellin for y'all. Still here in Comuna 13. Now heading over the most iconic place in Comuna 13, which is the hand. And every vlogger, every tourist gets a picture there always. This is the famous hand, guys. Wow. I love Medellin. It's amazing. And the color is so like neon like bright. There's fingertips too. They have the fingertip prints as well. Crazy. Heights is not for everybody, you know, like not everybody can be comfortable with heights. Yeah.
I did a bungee jump.
Started? Started now.
Yeah, I started.
We are here at the most iconic hand sign in Medellin. It's in Comuna 13, the top point of Comuna 13. And you already know we live in life. Look at this view. It's amazing. It's amazing. All right, hermano.
Que chicas son madre, claro te lo digo ahorita porque tú sabes hermano que pego a la señorita. Esta chica está muy bonita, se ve que ella es el ají con este pana necesita. Claro te lo digo carnal con color, porque se ve que esa mujer tiene el sabor. Yo les improviso con ingenio, me pregunto cómo hacen los rolos para salir de Transmilenio. Para salir de Transmilenio eso es lo que se narra, se ve que le hace serenatas con guitarra. Eso es lo que se narra, se ve que el pana se come la rola y él come esos solteros sobre la... Eso es lo que se gobierna. También sale una pasta morena, una mujer muy tierna, a veces ella trata como una reina. Lo malo de la morra es que a veces no se peina. Pero en México se vieron y se conocieron. Se ve que los dos tienen un amor verdadero y también respeto para el parcero. Él tiene cara de rapero. ¿Tiene cara de? Marihuanero. No, de marinero. Hello, everybody. ¿Y tú por qué eres este
More artwork, and this is it. This was the tour of Comuna 13. I'm sure you guys got to see it a lot of it on my channel, and I hope you guys got some knowledge behind it. It's beautiful. You get to see the proper culture, the history behind it. It's a really high tourist spot here in Medellin. Come check it out. Adios.